Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tire and wheel matchup with a set of Moto Metal 962 wheels in a 20x9 with a 0mm offset in a chrome finish and some 35x1250 R20 Atturo XT tires. Now these Motos, they're available in a 17, 18, 20, 22, and 24-inch wheel, in a gloss black, a chrome, which is what we have here, a PVD center with a gloss black lip, which means chrome spokes with a gloss black lip, and a satin gray and milled finish. So no matter what size you want, you can get them in that size. Dealers, if you're looking for a vehicle, for a wheel to put on your vehicle, this is a great option. Or if you're just looking for a wheel that everybody's gonna love, everybody loves these wheels because of the clean, classy 8-spoke design. You just can't beat it. These 20x9 with a 0mm offset has a 2.5-inch lip, in case that's what you're worried about. The wider, the more the offset is, the more negative the offset is, the larger your lip will be. So if you get a 20x12 with a negative 44mm offset, it's going to have a significantly larger lip than a 2.5-inch lip that we see on here. These Atturo XT tires, they're basically an all-terrain tire, and I absolutely love them for the price point. Now, if you're buying them to compete directly with Toyos and Nittos or BFGs, they're not going to compete directly with Toyos and Nittos and BFGs, but that's because of the price difference. You can't produce the same tire as Toyo and Nitto for half the price, but you can produce one that's pretty close, and that's this Atturo XT. So it rides well, it balances well. I want to say this tire has like 2.5 ounces of weight. The other front one has 2 3/4, and the backs are like 3.5. There may have been one that was at 4 ounces. I don't recall, but overall great tires. Not my favorite tread pattern, just being perfectly honest with you, but it's a good option. I like how they ride, they're pretty quiet, and you can't compete with the price point. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Thanks and have a great day.